Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. For today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to make jewelry beads using fabric. What's fantastic about this project is it can be made with 1-inch scraps. This project is also great for kids and scout groups. So let's begin. Start by sorting through your fabric scraps. Your bead size will be determined by the size of your fabric. For this project, I cut my fabric a little larger than 2 inches by 7 inches. To prevent excessive fraying, spray with SpraynBond fabric stiffener spray. Press your dampened fabric until it is stiff and dry. You may also want to use pressing paper or a pressing cloth to prevent the spray from getting everywhere. Next, you will need to cut your fabric. I trim mine down to 1 inch by 7 inches long. You will then cut on the diagonal from corner to corner. To make the fabric beads, you will simply need to roll or wind the fabric up, starting with the wider end. In this clip, I am using a bead winder. It's a little handy tool you can purchase. When I get towards the end of my bead, I add ThermOWeb's HeatnBond fabric fuse glue, and I continue to roll my bead up until it is finished. If you do not have a bead winding tool, you can also use a skewer that you use when you're cooking. You can make it in the same manner by winding from the wider end to the thinner end, applying the glue towards the end. The way you cut your fabric can determine the size of your bead and also its shape. For this fun shape, I added a small dot towards the top and I cut out 2 pointy sides. This created a double bead look. To make this bead, you roll it in the same manner as you would any other. Now that we've had fun making all sorts of beads, what should we do with them? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make one bracelet. Start by putting on one of your fabric beads and finding the center. You will then add a glass bead on each side. Next, place another fabric bead on one side of your stretchy string. Take the other side and pass it through the same bead, going the opposite direction. Pull it tight and repeat this process until you have enough beads to fit around the recipient's arm. when you have enough beads, tie it off, and clip your strings. Have fun creating all sorts of bracelets and other jewelry. I had fun using alphabet beads and created these for my girls. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.